Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, in the last class itself I said chapter 9 is over and today we are going to see the new chapter, isn't it? In subject mathematics, topic chapter 10 perimeter and area. Okay children, and it's session 36. Children, all of you complete all the notes and keep it ready children, because we are going to ask the notes for correction. Okay children, so don't delay, you complete every notes. Okay children, okay, we'll see the chapter 10. Okay children, chapter 10. Chapter 10, perimeter and area. First we are going to see about perimeter only. Okay children, what is perimeter we are going to see here. See, yes, perimeter. Perimeter means what? The length of the boundary of a polygon is called the perimeter of the polygon. Okay children, boundary means this one only. See, this one, this and this one is called boundary. This is called perimeter. This is called perimeter. Okay children, the length of the boundary of a polygon is called the perimeter of the polygon. In other words, the distance around a polygon is its perimeter. Okay children. Okay, here also is given. A polygon is a simple closed shape made of line segments. As I showed here, this is called line segments, isn't it? The area, this is called perimeter. Okay. We use the perimeter to find the, for what all we use children? Length of the border of a sari, shawl, quilt or blanket. Second, length of the coir or rope needed to fence a park, farm, field, garden or a piece of land. Third one, length of frame needed for a picture or a blackboard. Last one, distance around a field or park. Okay, here also they have given. Perimeter of a polygon is equal to sum of the lengths of sides of the polygon. What is perimeter of a polygon children? Is equal to sum of the lengths of sides of the polygon. Okay children, now we'll see exercise 10.1. Okay children, exercise 10.1. Find the perimeter. Yes, find the perimeter means the length around, isn't it? The line segments around you have to find out. But here what they have given children, what they have given, here 5 centimeter they have given and here 15 centimeter given. If we add this both, we can't find the perimeter children, but we have to write here also. They have given for 2 sides only. We have to complete the other sides. So here 15 centimeter means the opposite side, the same 15 centimeter children. The opposite side same 15 centimeter, and this opposite side what you have to write? 5 centimeter. Understood children? The opposites you have to write, because see here the length is big and here the length is small, isn't it children? So this 15 centimeter will go here and this 5 centimeter will come here. So now what you have to do children? You have to add this 3. How we have to add children? 5 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. Understood children? 5 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. This 4 centimeter you have to, whole perimeter you have to add. If you add this both means what will come children? 40 centimeter. So you feel, when you feel hard to add like this means what you can do? You can take your rough note. You can take your rough note and what you can do children? You can write like this: 5 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So if you add this one, what will come children? 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 what will come? 15 plus 5 what will come? 20. So 2 carry over here. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So what total? 40 centimeter. So in a rough note you can do it like this and you can copy down like this children. Understood? Yes, hope you have understood. And now we'll see the second sum. It's very hard only. So first you have to write, see here 1.5 meter, here 2.5 meter. So this 2 has been blank. So what you have to do, children? You have to see this length is small. So this will come here. So what you have to write? 1.5 meter. And this length is big. So this 2.5 meter will come here. Understood, children? You have to write like this and then only you have to add. So this is quite hard only. So I will add here. I will do the sum here. You have to listen carefully. See, 1.5 meter plus 2.5 meter plus again 1.5 meter plus 2.5 meter. Okay, children, you have to write like this. This is in mixed fraction. You have to bring, isn't it, children? You have to bring it to the proper fraction. So what will come, children? 1, 2 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2 meter plus, again 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2 meter plus, again what will come? 3 by 2 meter plus 5 by 2 meter. So when you add this, what will come, children? Listen carefully. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 3, what will come, children? 11. 8 plus 3, 11. And 11 plus 5, 11 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16. See here the denominator is same. So you should not add this denominator. You have to add, put like this only, children. Okay, children, in proper fraction you have learnt like this, isn't it, children? All the denominators are same. So you have to write 16 by 2. So when you cancel this one, see, 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. So what's the answer, children? 8 meter. So what's the answer, children? 8 meter. For the second sum, what answer? 8 meter. Okay, children, understood? Shall we go to the third sum? Yes. Okay. Here 2 centimeter, here 5 centimeter is there. So what you have to do, children? See, here you have to write 2 centimeter and here you have to write 5 centimeter. Here you have to write 5 centimeter. Okay. You have to add this one. This all you have to add. 2 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus again what will come? 2 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. So what's the answer? You have to add. This one is very easy. If you feel hard, I told you in the first sum, no, like that you can add. Okay, children, once again say 2 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 2, 9 and 9 plus 5, what, children? 9 in the mind, 5 in the finger. And after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what's the answer, children? 14 centimeter. Understood, children? Okay. We'll come to the fourth sum. Here, fourth sum, the perimeter, 3 sides they have given. So, you no need to write any number. So, what will come, children? 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. Okay, children, is equal to what you have to find out. 12 centimeter plus 12, it is this one is very hard. So, what you can do, children? You can write, see, 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus what will come? 8 centimeter. So what says, children? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. So 2 here and carry over here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So what's the answer, children? 32 centimeter. If you feel hard to add, you can write, take a rough note and you can add like this. Okay, children. So what will come, children? 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter. You can do it in the book itself. Okay, children. And the fifth sum. So the fifth sum, I'll put 5 here. You also write like this, so you will not get confused. Okay. Here only 2 sides they have given. So what, children, you have to do? The opposite sides you have to write the same centimeter. So here 10 centimeter means here what will come, children? 10 centimeter. And here what centimeter is given? 13 centimeter. So here what you have to put, children? 13 centimeter. So you have to add the four sides. What will come, children? 13 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus again what will come? 13 centimeter plus 10 centimeter is equal to what? So this also very hard. So what you have to do, children? 13 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 13 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. So you can do it in the rough work. 3 plus 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the answer, children? What's the answer? 46 centimeter. What will come? 46 centimeter. Okay. Now we'll do the sixth sum. At sixth sum, I'll do it here, so it will not get confused. Okay. Here what, children? Here also 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So here also what will come, children? The same 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So you have to add this 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter is equal to what, children? 7 fours are what will come? 7 fours are 28 centimeter. Understood, children? You have to add everything. You have to add all the sides. You have to add. Okay, children? Okay. Okay, children. Now coming to the B1. See what's the heading they have given. Find the perimeter of each figure. You have to find the perimeter. And the side of each small square is 1 centimeter. Children, see, square means what, children? See, they have given a box, isn't it? See here, this is square, isn't it? So each square is 1 centimeter. So I will do one sum or two sums, and then other sums you are going to do. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares are there. So what you have to do, children? You have to write 5 centimeter. Understood, children? And this side, when you come to this side, 1, 2, 3. So what will come, children? 3 centimeter. Okay, children? And again here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimeter. And again here, 1, 2, 3. So what will come, children? 3 centimeter. Now what you are going to do? You have to add everything. You have to add everything. So I will do first sum here. So what will come, children? 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. So when you add, what will come, children? What will come, children? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 3, 14, 15, 16 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Okay. And coming to this second sum, before doing, you can write 1, 2, 3, here 4, so that you will not get confused. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, children? 9 you have written. Now I am going to do the second sum. Second sum also very easy. Second sum also is see. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 centimeter. You should be very careful, children. And here what, children? What is given, children? Only one square is given. 1 centimeter. Again here 1 is given. 1 centimeter. Again here 1 centimeter. And here also 1 centimeter. See here. This one is 1 centimeter. See, I will listen carefully, children. Here 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter, and this one 1 centimeter, and this one 1 centimeter. So here itself 4 is coming. So don't get confused, children. 1, here also 1, here 1, and here 1. And now coming to this side, 1, 2, 3. Here 3 centimeter. And here again 1 centimeter. And we're coming to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 centimeter. Okay, children. Now we have to add everything. See, when you add everything, what answer? 3 plus 1, what, children? 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, what will come, children? 16 centimeter. For the second also it will come 16 centimeter. So likewise you are going to do all the sums. You are going to do all the sums and you have to send it to me in WhatsApp. Will you do, children? Okay. We will see the next one. Coming to the C1. See, this one also homework for you. I will give homework. I'll give homework. See, this one homework. What you have to do? You have to measure with the scale. You have to measure with the scale. See, for this all, see this line segment, here one, and this one. You have to measure and you have to send it to me. Okay, children, and you have to add. You have to add. This one, this one, this one. You have to measure with the scale. These two sums homework. These two sums homework. Okay. Now coming to this one, only last sum you are going to see. D1. Find the missing length. Find the missing length. See, the total perimeter of this length is how many centimeter? 24 centimeter. Now they have given this measurement, they have given this measurement, they have given, and this side measurement they have given, but they didn't give this measurement. You have to find out. So how to find out? I'll do it for you. Okay, children, what you have to do? You have to add this 3. So what will come, children? 9. See, I will do it here. 9 centimeter plus 9 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. So, see, 9 plus 7 what, children? 9 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 9 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 in the mind and 7 in the finger, 6, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So, what will come, children? Sorry, children. Sorry, 3 only we have to add. So 9, 7 and 3. Sorry. Okay. 9 plus 7, what I said? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus 3, what will come, children? 19 will come. So 19 centimeter. So what you have to do? This 19 centimeter, you have to subtract from this 24. So if you do minus 19 centimeter, what will come, children? If you subtract, what will come? See, this will become 1 and this will become 14. After 9, you count up to 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5. And this one 0. So, children, what answer, children? 5 centimeter. So, when you add this 19 and 5, you will get this 24. After 19 plus 5, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Isn't it correct, children? You can add like this. Okay, children. Now here what we have find out? 5 centimeter. And now coming to this one. See here 5 meter. Here 3 meter. And here 3 meter. And here they have given 6 meter. But you should not add this one, children. You have to be very careful. Because they have told the boundaries. This one only is the perimeter. Okay, children. The 4 sides. This is the perimeter. If you add this one, the sum will be wrong. Okay, children. So what, children? 5 meter plus 5 meter. See here, the total perimeter is 15 meter. Total perimeter is 15. So, first 5 meter and then 3 meter and then again 3 meter. So, when you add this 3, what will come, children? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 meter. 11 meter. Now, you have to subtract this one from 15. If you subtract, what answer will come, children? After 11, if you count up to 15, what will come? 12, 13, 14, 15. 4 meter. So, what's the answer, children? What's the answer? 4 meter. 4 meter. So, when you add this 11 and 4, you get this perimeter. After 11 plus 4, 15 meters. So, this answer is correct. If you add the 6 meter, the sum will be wrong. You can't add this 6 meter. Okay, children? Don't forget. You should not add this length. You should not add. Okay, children? Are you thorough, children? You do it in the book itself. No need to do it in the classwork note. No need to do it in the classwork note because the diagrams and all you can't draw. It will be very hard. Okay, children? So, you can do it in the book itself as I have did. Okay, children? Do the homework sum and send it to my personal WhatsApp. Okay, children? Take care. Bye. We'll meet in the next class.